In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom to connect to a remote session. So if you're a student or if you're a parent and you're trying to help your kids to connect to a Zoom session with the teacher, this is how you do it. So first thing is obvious, install the Zoom app. I already have the Zoom app installed on my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and launch it here. So from here, the teacher should have provided you with the meeting ID. So let me go ahead and change this a little bit. Okay, right here we have the Zoom app open. So the teacher should have provided you with the meeting ID. And what you want to do is enter the meeting ID right here. So I'm going to enter a meeting ID that I created with my personal account. Okay, and then down here you will enter your name. And then you click on join. So you're going to need a password too. So the teacher should have provided you the password as well. Click on join, and it's going to ask you for the meeting password. Now the meeting password is case sensitive. So enter it uppercase, lowercase, so it's very case sensitive. So I'm going to enter the password for this meeting and click join. Once you click join, you're going to have to wait for the teacher to allow you to join into your Zoom meeting. Okay, so it looks like the teacher is allowing me to join into this Zoom meeting. So right here, you could start seeing whoever's on the other side. So right there is my kids right there. Hey Trevor, can you hear me? Okay, oh, right here. I have to unmute myself first so they can actually hear me. And right here, I have to start video. Actually, I cannot start video because I'm recording the video using my screen recording program. But they should be able to hear me. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Your screen says your name.
Yeah, I know. Um, so yeah, because I started that session on the other computer. All right, so that's how you connect to a Zoom session. So right here, down here in the Zoom window, there's chat. So you want to chat with somebody in the group. So by default, right here it says to everyone. So if you want to chat to a specific person, click on the drop down arrow and choose the name of the person you want to chat with, and then you type your message. And then they'll get a pop-up message saying that, no, hi Bill, if you see this message right there. I send it privately to Bill right there. But if you want to send a message to everybody, you click on that drop down and change it to everyone, and then type the message, hi everyone. And everybody that's part of the Zoom meeting will get that message. Now, if you want to share your screen on Zoom, down here, there's a share icon. So you click on share, it'll share my desktop here or a specific application. So let me go open up a browser. So I'll go open up Firefox right there. And let me go to Google. All right, so I'm over on Google, and if I want to share this Google app, I click on this share icon and say I want to share a specific application, and I want to share the Google app, the Mozilla Firefox application I have open, and click on share. And what they do is what they'll see just this application being shared. Now, when you're done sharing this application, just click on stop sharing, and it'll stop sharing your screen. And if you click on this participant, it'll show you who's actually on the participation, who's part of this Zoom video. So there's this person called your name, and then there's Bill right there. And this is how you actually enable video. So you want to enable video, you click on start video, and that will actually enable the video so other people can see it. But I'm actually using it recording the screen right now, so I can't really enable it. Now, if you want to mute your video in Zoom, then you want to click on this mute button, and it'll mute your video, and they can't hear anything from you. Now you want to unmute, just go ahead and click that again. But there's also a shortcut way to unmute. So if you're mute, Let me mute this. Just press the space bar on your keyboard and then it'll temporarily unmute it for you. So select Zoom and press the space bar. Well, that's technically that's how it works, but I'm not because I'm probably recording this. That's why it's not working. So I'm gonna go ahead just unmute right there. And then you want to look at the meeting ID information. There's this little eye up here on the upper left hand corner of your Zoom meeting. You click on that. That shows you the meeting ID, the host that's hosting this meeting, and then the current password for this session. So every time you start a new Zoom meeting, the password is different. So it generates a different password every time. And this right here shows you the connections encrypted. I'm not going to click that, so it's not really necessary. I think that's all you guys need to know on how to use Zoom. Hey, Trevor, you want to say anything before I end this video?
No, not really. I'm just gonna end it right now, okay?
No, I'm gonna leave the meeting, so you don't have to end it. Okay, thanks for your help, Trevor. Bye.
See.
All right, and then just click on leave on the lower left hand corner. I mean lower right hand corner, and then click on leave. And that's pretty much how you use Zoom. Hopefully this video will help you guys out.